Hi everybody, welcome to this video, welcome to Grateful Learner. My name is Deepak Kumar and today's our topic is workshop technology in civil engineering and construction projects. So basically इस वीडियो में हम आज पढ़ने वाले हैं all about workshop technology and uses and the importance of their equipment and all the things in construction projects and civil engineering projects also. So इस वीडियो में लास्ट तक बने रहे, आपको बहुत सारी चीज़ें सीखने को मिलेंगी. ओके So basically this workshop explores the transformative roles of technology in revoluting civil engineering and construction projects. So introduction to industries 4.0 and digital transformation. So basically the industry 4.0 it will enhances the industries. Okay, now the industry 4.0, the fourth industrial revolution driven by automation, AI and data analytics, which we have in industries and all the things we are reshapes traditional industries and all the things. Now the digital transformation. So basically the embracing digital technologies such as cloud computing, the IoT, and BIM factors fosters efficiency and innovation. Okay, in civil engineering projects. So basically the benefits of emerging technology in construction. So basically increased productivity, automated task and optimization of workflow streamlines and construction processes leading to faster project completion. Okay, now the enhanced safeties in construction project workshop technology. The smart technologies like sensors and drones and monitor hazards, improving worker safety and reducing incidents. Now the improved quality. So basically the BIM and data analytics enable to precise planning and execution, ensuring high quality construction outcomes. Now the reducing costs. So basically the optimize process and reduce waste, minimize project cost, enhancing profitability. Okay, now the integrated projects delivering IPD integrated project delivery and the building information modeling. So basically IPD, the IP is a collaborative approach to design, construction and operation for fostering efficiency and the communication. Now the building information modeling. So basically it is a digital model based processing and enables visualization, coordination and analysis throughout the project life cycle. This is called BIM building information modeling. Now the robotics and automation in construction. These are the very impressive robotics and automation in construction. So basically the autonomous robots perform repetitive tasks, increasing speed and accuracy while reducing human labor needs. And the drones with integrated cameras and the sensor provide aerial surveys and inspection data for construction progress and science safety. Guys, देख रहे हो कितनी जैसे टेक्नोलॉजी इन्हांस हो रही है. एंड रोबोटिक्स ऑटोमेशन इन कंस्ट्रक्शन अवर प्रोजेक्ट्स इन सिविल इंजीनियरिंग प्रोजेक्ट्स में भी ये चीज़ें रहेंगी. कई जगह तो काम चल भी रहे हैं. नाउ द exoskeletons enhance worker strength and enhance enabling them to perform physical demanding tasks and greater edge. Now the internet of the things, the IoT, internet of the things and the sensor based monitoring. So basically the sensor collect real time and all the things. So basically the sensors and the collect real-time data, temperature, humidity and the vibrations and the monitoring evaluation parameters allowing and the proactive monitoring. Now the third one is like a smart sensor track. Smart sensor track equipment performance, identify maintenance needs and optimization, resource allocation. Now the real-time data analytics and the analyzes the engineers to potential issues, enabling timely intervention and preventing costly. Okay, now the virtual and augmented reality application, the design visualization. Basically the virtual and augmented reality application, the design visualization. So basically VR and AR allows stakeholders to experience the final structure in a virtual environment, enhancing communication and decision making. Now the training and simulation. So basically virtual simulations provide realistic training environment for construction workers, improving safety and operational efficiency. Also virtual and augmented reality application. Now the third one is construction planning. So basically AR overlay 3D models over the real world site, adding accurate workshop technology enhances to increase day by day visualization and coordination of construction process. Now the predictive analytics and condition based maintenance. So basically data collection. So sensor and IoT IoT devices collect vast amounts of real-time data from equipment and infrastructures. Now the data analysis to predictive algorithm analyze data patterns to identify potential failures and the schedule preventing and the maintenance. Now the optimize maintenance. So basically the condition-based maintenance reduce over time, optimizes resource allocation and all the things. Okay, now the blockchain technology for supply chain management. So basically the transparency and transability the blockchain provides, and an immutable record of transactions and enhancing transparency and accountability in the supply chain. Now the secure data. So basically the encrypted data storage ensured secure and tamper-proof transactions, protecting sensitive information. Now the smart contract. So basically automated contract streamlines processes, ensuring timely payment and efficient material management. Okay, now the conclusion and the future outlook. So basically the technology enhancement, the workshop technology and all the things, the technology transformation, the civil engineering and construction projects industry, and the driving innovation, sustainability, and embracing these advancements to optimize their enhanced safety and deliver exceptional outcomes. These are the conclusion and the future outlook of workshop technology enhances on all the things. Okay, now thank you so much. These are the video on the workshop technology enhance upscale the technologies, the IoT and the benefits, and what the new technology enhances to workability, and what the work easier to move at the other comparison to construction project and civil engineering projects also. They are the AI generation, artificial intelligence generation. Okay, now thank you so much. If you are enjoying this video, please like and subscribe. We are meeting with another video. Thank you so much guys. Keep